In this video, I will show you guys how can you fix Netflix not working on Samsung Smart TV. So most of the time, when Netflix doesn't work, you will get a black screen on your Samsung Smart TV. So to fix that, what I will do, I will go on my remote control and press the source tab. And right now, I will go here to the settings tab, and on the fast settings I will choose Wi-Fi settings from here. As you can see, I will click on it and I will choose the settings of my Wi-Fi. Alright, so right now I will press on enter right here because I'm connected to my wireless on my Samsung Smart TV. And right now, most of the time, you will need to check if your Samsung Smart TV is connected to your Wi-Fi. As you can see, right now my Samsung Smart TV is connected. But I'm doing most of the time, I will scroll down and I will refresh. As you can see right here, I will refresh my wireless connection. Alright, so after that, just make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. Well, after that, it's done. This is a solution for this problem. Most of the time it's working for me. So that's it. I hope that this video will help you and we will see in the next videos.